Frank's View right here, man. Yes, I just picked up the M1 MacBook Pro. I'm so happy and I'm so excited to show you guys my first ever tech video. Yes, better quality here on Frank's View. There she is in all of her beauty in the packaging, Apple's packaging. I picked up my fiance from the house and we went to Best Buy right after I got paid, so went ahead and bought this, and it was a big chunk of my money, but I couldn't be more pleased with my purchase. So I have 256 gigabyte SSD and 8 gigabyte of RAM, and there you go. She's in all of her beauty. So without further ado, let's get a little ASMR unboxing. A 3.5 millimeter headphone jack on one side and two USB-C ports. Inside the box we get a USB-C cord. We get Apple's guides, warranties, and two Apple stickers. Last but not least, we get the Apple power brick, USB-C. I had to pick me up an 18-in-1 USB docking station from Utechsmart. Apple only has two USB-C ports, so this allows me to connect anything I want. HDMIs, more USB-C, USB 3.0, USB 2.0, and as you can see right there, here are all the ports in its glory. USB 2.0, the power, Ethernet plug, HDMI 1, the two hosts, HDMI 2, and HDMI 3, and VGA port. In the front, you get the headphone jack, USB-C, SD card, mini SD, and three USB 3.0 ports. And on top, you get the SSD adapter, plug-in, whatever you want to call it. But yes, this is very special. In the box, you get a USB-C cord, and you get the two hosts that you have to plug in your MacBook. This was my fiance's 2015 MacBook Air, and this was my old working station. And I will show you my new one. There's the MacBook Air again, 2015, and it worked like a beauty. So just imagine the 2020 M1 editions. The M1 MacBook Pro in all of its beauty. Now let me take this off. A little ASMR again. Sounds so sweet. Now here's currently my new setup. I had to purchase this cover case for my MacBook Pro off of Amazon, and I just added some lighting from Amazon as well. But here's my new setup for the time being. I will be getting a Samsung 49-inch monitor, and I will be doing an unboxing of that as well. But there you go. Here is my first tech video unboxing and review, and I hope you guys enjoy. This is Frank's View. Give a like, comment, and subscribe, and stick around and check out my reactions to music and more tech videos soon to come. Thank you guys so much. We'll see you on the next one.